Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video for you. I ordered this 7 pieces travel organizer set from Shopee and it just arrived. I can't wait to show you what's inside and how it can make your travel packing easier and more organized. Wow, look at this. There are 7 different bags in this set, each with the different sizes. They look so cute and stylish. Let me show you them one by one. So these are the 7 bags that come in this travel organizer set. I'm really impressed by the quality and the variety of these bags. They are made of durable and lightweight nylon material, which is easy to wash and dry. They are also foldable and compressible, which means you can save a lot of space in your suitcase or backpack. They're also very affordable. You can buy them from Shopee or Lazada. I'll leave the link in the video description box below. Now, I'm going to show you how I use these bags to organize my things for travel. I'm going to Manila next week, so I need to pack my stuff. I'm going to put them in my suitcase and show you how neat and tidy they look. Here's my suitcase. As you can see, I have all my bags neatly arranged in my suitcase. They fit perfectly and they don't take up much space. I can easily see what's inside each bag and I can quickly grab what I need. I love this travel organizer set. It makes my packing so much easier and more convenient. It also makes my travel more enjoyable and stress-free. I highly recommend it to anyone who loves to travel and wants to keep their things organized. It's a must-have for any traveler. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the video description below to get your own travel organizer set. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.